Are you looking for DIY lashes that actually stay put when life gets, well, a little bit messy? Because let's be real, we've all been there. You're at a wedding and the waterworks start, you're battling hay fever and your eyes are flushing, or you want to go for a swim or hit in the sauna for a detox. The truth is, our best-selling Invisi-Lash collection and Pre-Glued collection are designed to be water resistant. So today I'm here to help you master the application so your lashes can handle everyday moisture just as well as you do. I'm putting them through a literal stress test to show you how they hold up against these daily challenges. Stay tuned for the submersion test. At the end, it's a total game changer. Here's how to prepare your lashes so they survive every eventuality. Step 1 is the most important for longevity. Shake your cleansing mist well, spray a cotton pad and wipe until your lashes are 100% oil-free and dry. Tatti tip for Invisi-Lash: always do your patch test on your outer corner 24 hours before your full application. We'll start by showing you how to apply Invisi-Lash clusters in the style Wispy Volume, but stay tuned for the Pre-Glued lash cluster application in the same style. Now they're dry, it's time to start the application. We would recommend to work on one eye at a time. Brush a light coat of the bond available in black or clear onto your natural lashes. Make sure to apply this 1 to 2 millimeters away from the waterline. Keeping that tiny gap prevents irritation and stops skin oils from breaking down the bond. You don't need to brush the adhesive all the way up your lash. We do not recommend applying mascara before the application, as these lashes last up to 7 days and you won't be able to remove the mascara, making it unhygienic. Apply your lashes using your preferred lash map. If you are unsure, please refer to our other videos. Now, the secret weapon, the seal. This is your water-resistant top coat. It cures the bond and removes the tackiness, locking in your lashes for up to 7 days. If you want something more beginner-friendly, we'd recommend using our Pre-Glued cluster lash range. Our Pre-Glued cluster kit makes custom lash looks easier than ever. Enjoy up to 5+ days of comfortable wear with zero fuss. No glue, no mess, no stress, just press, clamp and go. Now let's test the durability for both Invisi-Lashes and Pre-Glued clusters. Test 1, the wedding tears. When the waterworks start during the eye do's, remember the golden rule: dab, don't rub. These move with your eye. They won't lift at the corners like a strip lash. Even though the glue holds strong and water will not break this down, you want to avoid tugging on your natural lashes to avoid damage. Tatti tip: keep a cotton bud in your bag at all times and gently dab to stop the tears from ruining your makeup. If you're a hay fever sufferer, your eyes are constantly streaming. Since these are clusters, there's no tension across the lid, so they feel weightless even when your eyes are watery. Either of these clusters don't irritate your eyes. In the sauna, heat softens the bond. Do not touch them while you're in there. Let the bond reset as you cool down. They will lock back into place on their own. People also often ask if you can swim with the cluster lashes, and the answer is yes. The fibres are high quality, so they won't lose that curl. We're going fully underwater to prove these lashes aren't going anywhere. Here we're putting them to the ultimate submersion test. And here's the proof: don't fear, you can swim with total confidence knowing your lashes are locked in place. Here is the most important educational tip after you get out the pool: the reset. Do not brush them yet or you'll break the glue and pull the lashes apart. Use a cool fan to dry the clusters first, and once they feel dry, give them one last clamp with your applicator to relock that water resistant barrier. Just remember, no water or heat for 48 hours after the application, just so that your lashes can fully cure and stay secure. So wedding proof, yes. Life proof, absolutely. As long as you prep and dry them right, Tatti clusters are staying locked in for up to 7 days. Shop the full range at tattilashes.com and check the description for the styles I used today. Like and subscribe for more lash education, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.